Today we're going to be taking a look at probably one of the rarest pairs in my collection. There are only 304 pairs in the world. Yeah, they're very limited. So as you can probably guess by the title of the video, this is the Lamine Yamal F50, his first signature pair, part of the Adidas limited collection, as you can see from the box. Here is a look at the label. Pick them up in a size UK 9.5, mainly because that's the cheapest size I could get. These are going for crazy amounts of money, and I'm super excited to unbox these. Let's open them up. So, slide them open. They are his laceless boots. So he only wears laceless boots now. So they do come with their own little shoehorn just to make it a little bit easier to put the boots on. I'll put that to the side. It would have been quite cool if they'd done a little personalized like pink one for him. That would have been cool, but it's just a standard black Adidas one. Then here is a look at the boot bag comes with it. It says F50 on the front, and this kind of gives you an idea of the color of the boots that I'm going to be unboxing. Look at the drawstrings on the side, and then obviously the bag itself. So all F50 Elite models come with two sets of insoles. They have the comfort one and the speed one. One's slightly thicker than the other. Here is the spare set of insoles with his logo at the bottom there. Obviously it's the 304 symbol as he does with his hands. As you can see for his postcode, comes in this kind of like lilac color. This is the spare set, so I'm assuming this will be the comfort ones. I'm not sure, it doesn't say comfort or speed on either of them, so it could be either. But I'll move them to the side. Then you do get F50 branded paper, as you can see here. Would have been cool if they'd done some signature paper, some pink paper for this, but they didn't. So we'll open them up, and here we go. Check these out. How unbelievable is this pair? Here are the brand new Lamine Yamal F50 in his signature color. Have you ever seen a boot that looks like this? So like I said earlier, extremely limited. 304 pairs in the world, and if you look at the detailing on the side, you'll see it says 304 here on the inside of the right one and on the outside of the left one. This 304 obviously signifies his postal code in his country, and they're just crazy, absolutely crazy. So it is just a standard F50 laceless. There's nothing crazy about the features. It's more the design and the actual overall look of the boot which makes it so special, and obviously the limited quantity. So if you look around the outside of the boot, if you see these gold marks here, each one is a member of his family, which I think is a really nice touch. Just little things like that make the story of the boot so much better. Then on the front here, you have his initials, as you can see there. And you also get this on the sole plate. So you can see it right at the front here. The sole plate transitions from a white to a pink, and come on. Have you ever seen a sole plate look that good? Yeah. Big fan of these. So fun fact for you, the 304 is on the left side of each boot. So on the inside of the right, on the outside of the left. This is because of his magical left foot. So Adidas put the 304 on the left side. Pretty cool. Because it's a standard F50 laceless, it does have the fiber touch going around the upper, as you can see there, which, if you know the F50 laceless, it's a boot that performs really well, and I have to say, it does look spectacular in the laceless form. My actual overall favourite thing about the boot is the actual general colour. Not often you get a pink boot, which I actually think looks really good. Pink with the like slight touches of gold, and that transitioned 3 Adidas stripes on the outside. Yeah, Adidas has done an amazing job with these. Spinning both boots to the back, you will see the Adidas logo in that kind of lilac color once again. What I'm a little bit disappointed, I wish they'd done one Adidas logo and then one of the same logos as on the insole on the back there. I think that would have been a cool little touch, but you can't win at everything. But yes, this has been my unboxing of the Lamine Yamal F50. What a crazy and special pair it is. Let me know down below in the comments what you think of this pair, and do you actually believe Lamine Yamal deserves his own signature boot? I think it's a crazy question, because for me, he definitely does, and he is probably the best player in the world right now. But let me know down below in the comments what you think. The boots are insane.